Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and if you're new, thanks for joining in. So today, I'm gonna do an unboxing of KANGOO Jumps. And if you're like, what the heck is KANGOO Jumps? Then I'm about to tell you. I was walking outside the other day, and I saw this couple running alongside me with these crazy boots on. I'm like, what the heck is that? Like, they're just bouncing up and down. I'm like, I have got to have a pair of those. So I went online later that night, found them online, ordered me a pair, and guess what? They just came in the mail today. So we're gonna go check them out. And if you end up liking this video, please don't hesitate to give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and please subscribe to my channel because it definitely helps support me. So here's the actual box that they came in. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take some scissors and just cut off this plastic wrap here, so you guys can actually take a look at what they actually look like with the picture here. So I actually ordered 2 pair, and I will actually put the link of the website that I used to order these if you guys ever want to order them as well, but this is what they look like. So these really cool boots here, and you gotta make sure that you get the name brand KANGOO Jumps, because it's the actual original name brand. In this pair of KANGOO Jumps, you'll notice that the model is the KANGOO Jumps XR3. So these run about $259 per pair. So I actually ordered the black and dark gray, so you guys can see what that looks like here. They're actually really beautiful, so you can see how you have the gray here. You've got the black boot, and then you have all of this. It's kind of like, it's not rubber, but it's kind of like a hardish plastic rubber. And then you can see like the spring here that gives you all that bounce. Cannot wait to try these out. And these do get the best reviews too, so I already looked at all the reviews. People who are over 200 pounds can still bounce on these, and this is a size large, so you can get them in small, medium, large, or extra large. So this one in particular, the large will fit women's 8, 9, and 10, and men's 9, 10, and 11 size shoe. You can also see like the inside. The boot itself kind of reminds me of rollerblades without the actual wheels on the bottom. The reviews actually do suggest that you should wear 2 pairs of long socks with these just so you don't rub any blisters. But I am going to try these out, and I'm going to go grab a couple pairs of socks on and get started with this. So these are the KANGOO Jumps after they've been unboxed and ready to go. I've got my socks on, and I am about to take these out for a spin. Alright, so I'm about to unlatch and just open all the latches here so I can put my foot in. Fits like a glove. All right, we're all set. Wow. Oh my gosh. You don't lose your balance or anything. Wow. These things feel absolutely amazing. You can run in these, you can do aerobics, you can do any type of cardio. You can do these on the hardwood floor, you can do them at a gym. So it makes an amazing, amazing workout opportunity. So I'm going to be running a lot on these things. So I'm actually at one of my favorite places to go running, and I'm gonna go and make a couple laps here and see what it feels like. Okay, let me tell you. So at this lake, 1 lap is 0.7, so it's not quite a mile. And normally I can run 4 laps, normally just in regular running shoes. But I could barely make it 1 lap with these things. Like I literally feel like I just ran 3 miles and I only ran 0.7 in these things, but it feels absolutely amazing. It's so comfortable. It feels like you're jumping on a constant trampoline, and it just feels like you're just bouncing on air. And it's so comfortable. I don't feel any stress on my joints. I don't feel any stress on my bones, my lower back, anything. And it's so much fun. So I just finished my 2nd lap here at the lake. So I KANGOO jumped about 1.5 miles, and normally I can do about 3 miles. So I definitely could feel a difference. I feel like I was out of breath. My heart was pounding. It was such a wonderful workout. I definitely feel like I got double the workout in less the time. If you guys have any questions at all after this video, please don't hesitate to comment down below. I will be happy to answer any questions that you may have. Please go out and buy a pair of these. They're absolutely amazing. Like I said, I will provide the link to buy them in the comments down below. And if you guys end up liking this video, please don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys back next time. Take care.